Gabby, and this is Gabby's Gallery. As always, if you're new here, welcome. If you've seen my other videos, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY stickers. And if you know me at all, you know that I really like stickers. I kind of have my entire computer covered in them, not to mention inside. So, I kind of spend too much money on stickers, so I was trying to think one day, how can I make my own stickers? And then I started kind of playing around with it, and so I'm going to share with you how I make my DIY stickers. So what you're going to need to make these is some label printing paper, and I call it sticker paper, but basically you can get these at, like, I'm pretty sure, like, what did my parents say? Like UPS or whatever gives them for free to print labels, and my parents are like always using these to print labels for packages, so we always have this paper like laying around in our house. So this is what I use. As you can see, it has like a line down the middle and two separate sheets of sticker, and that is what you're going to like print your stickers onto. And then you're also going to need a computer or a Chromebook, or if you can use your phone and like print stuff off of that, anything you can print off of and that can also access Google Drawings. And then you're going to need also some scissors, and I use typically two scissors, one that's like kid scissors and then one that's like a nose hair trimmer scissors. These are obviously clean because if not that would be gross. But yeah, I think the smaller the scissors the better, because if you're going to be cutting your stickers the way I do them, you're going to want to make sure you can do like some precise cuts. So I use these two kinds of scissors. And then last but not least, you're going to need clear tape. For best results, I would use the like completely clear tape instead of the like opaque tape. It won't look that bad if you use that tape, but this is what I recommend. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and you're also going to need a printer that can print in color. Unless you want black and white stickers, which is totally fine, but I use a color printer.
2, 3.
Okay, so first you're going to get on your computer or laptop and search up. What I'm searching up here is cute stickers, but as you can see, it's mostly just groups of like 20 stickers, and that doesn't really work for what we're doing. So basically I searched up cactus sticker because I saw one that was cute, and as you can see, I see that one that I like, so I double click on it, or I right click and press copy image. So now I'm going into my Google Drive, I press new, and then you go into more, and then you open a new Google Drawing, and in Google Drawings you're going to paste the image that you just copied, and then from there you can resize it and make sure it's the place you need it to be. And then once you've done all that, this is what mine looked like. So obviously you want to make sure it's not going to be cut off by the line on the label paper, and so yeah, basically I'm just loading the paper into the printer, and this is on my mom's computer. I'm printing it, and yeah, basically you'll see I click print, and then it comes out, and you can see that it turned out pretty well because I printed it in color. And so now I'm taking the invisible tape and basically putting a piece or two over all the stickers so that's completely covered, and then I run my finger over it so that I can get out any bubbles or lines that might be trapped under the tape. And as you can see, it will not turn out perfect every time. On this one, a little hair got caught under it. Not sure how, but basically there was a hair under the tape, so I just had to peel it off, put a new piece of tape on. So the word is not as like bright as it was, but I mean, it still looks pretty good. So if that happens, just peel off the tape if you can, and if not, it's really usually not that noticeable. So then now I'm just putting tape on the rest of them. Okay, so now I'm just getting in there on the first sticker and getting those little nose hair trimmer scissors in there so that I can get very precise cut. And yeah, I'm not going to make you guys watch the whole time of me cutting, so that's what it looks like once I cut it all out. And usually most stickers have an outline, so it should be easier to cut. And this is how they turned out, and I think they turned out really well, and I'm super happy with them. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Haha, psych, you still have one more step left. So yeah, basically you have to peel off the back of the sticker and stick it on where you're going to put it. Totally did not forget that this part of the video was in here and still need a voiceover. So yeah, basically you just stick it on and yep, oh, there it goes. It falls off. But I get it back on because I'm just cool like that. So yeah, enjoy the outro. Okay, there you have it, guys. That is how to make super cute and easy DIY stickers at home. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I post a new video every Monday and Thursday. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!